I have another blush combo for you. It's the Bobbie Brown Illuminating Bronzer in Maui and the Vice Cosmetics Multiganda Sticks in Very Good. So first, we apply the bronzer. This is actually a technique of Bobbie Brown. She likes to use two kinds of blushes. And this one, this bronzing powder that she has, it's actually so pink. It's like a really nice light pink blush. And it has some shine to it. And it's perfect for underneath a very vibrant berry colored blush. Let me just apply just here on the apples of my cheek. And now the deeper shade of berry blush. Tap it a little, not so much, and just put it on top of my cheek here. That cream blush, it adds to the health of your skin. And if it feels a bit lacking, you can put some on your nose, like a little bit. And there you have it, a nice pop of pink. See you again on the next.